Hello, it's Gummy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from the Bybit crypto app to your bank account, whether it's euros, Swiss francs, or US dollars. We're gonna go through all of this together step by step and in a very simple way. So if you're ready, let's get started. I'm going to show you everything on the Bybit mobile app, but it's the same process if you're using the Bybit web browser. You just need to follow the different steps. So I open the Bybit app, and first you need to click on Asset at the very bottom right to see, well, all your funds on Bybit. You can see that right now I have 22.19 USD in my Bybit account. That's in my spot account, as you can see at the bottom. And the first step is to decide which fiat currency you want to withdraw to your bank account. Do you want euros to be transferred to your bank account? Do you want Swiss francs? Do you want US dollars? Because actually, depending on which currency you want to withdraw, there are more or less fees and more or less restrictions that will be imposed by the Bybit app. To find out which ones, you just need to click on withdraw here in the middle and then your fiat currency. So you click on it. Then you can already see the fiat currencies that are allowed in the app for withdrawal. So you see that we have euros, we have USD, but for example, you can see that there are no Swiss francs. So if you live in Switzerland, for example, you'll need to use a trick that I'll show you a bit later in the video to be able to withdraw crypto in Swiss francs to your bank account. Next, for example, if you want to withdraw euros, you click on euro and then you'll be able to see the different methods and the fees. So for euros, fortunately, there's the SEPA method, which will allow you to withdraw very easily to your bank account. And it only costs €1. So it's really the best case scenario. So it's perfect. On the other hand, if, for example, you check USD, so dollars, and you look at the methods to withdraw your dollars, well, unfortunately, you see that it says withdrawal function is currently unavailable. That means you can't withdraw dollars. This can change from day to day. Sometimes it might be euros that aren't available for withdrawal, other times dollars. Anyway, that's how it is. Sometimes there are limitations. It's very easy to deposit money on Bybit, but unfortunately, the company makes it quite difficult to withdraw funds from their app. But don't worry, I have a solution for you. So let's start with withdrawing euros. This is really the simplest way. The very first thing is to transfer all your funds back to your funding account. Actually, you won't be able to convert your crypto to euros if they are in your spot or derivatives account, etc. To do this, you click on spot, then you see the transfer option. Click on it and specify which crypto you want to transfer to your main account. So for me, it's BNB. I select the maximum amount. I specify the direction I want the transfer to go, in other words, from my spot account to my funding account. That's all set. I click on confirm. Now everything has been transferred to my funding account, so that's perfect. Now, the next step is to convert our crypto into euros. So we click on funding, select convert, and choose the crypto we want to convert. So here, it's BNB for us. We specify that we want euros, so we click on euro perfect. Next, we enter the amount of BNB, so we want the maximum. And finally, all that's left is to click on convert at the bottom where you see the summary. You can see the fee share, there are 0 fees, so that's perfect. We click on confirm and boom, there you go. Our BNB has been converted into 20.7 euros. Next, we go back to our funding account. You can click on the little checkmark, hide 0 balances that way. It removes all the accounts with nothing in them, making the app easier to read. We see that we have our euros, so we're going to click on withdraw to take them out. Then we click on fiat. We specify that we want to withdraw euros. We enter the amount, so we want the maximum. We select the SEPA option and click continue. Now we have to add a bank account. Unfortunately, there's another limitation here. To register a bank account for withdrawals, you first have to make a transfer from that bank account to Bybit. So if that's already done, great, you'll already have your bank account registered. But unfortunately, if it isn't done, like in my case, since I had never done it and had transferred crypto directly, I first have to deposit money before I can withdraw any. So you see, it's complicated. That's why I'm telling you the simplest way is to use my tip, which I'm going to show you right now. You'll be able to withdraw euros, Swiss francs, or US dollars very easily to your bank account without all these limitations. So my tip is to use the Crypto Swissborg app, which is also available on mobile, whether on iOS or Android. And actually, it's a crypto app that's really easy to use and allows you to very easily withdraw your crypto funds to your bank account. So that's really what I use when I want to sell crypto in Swiss francs because I live in Switzerland. But it would be the same if I wanted to sell in euros and then withdraw to a bank account. It works really well. So if you don't have the app yet, I encourage you to download it. You'll find the link just below the video, either in the description or pinned as the first comment. So all you have to do is click on it and that will let you download the app. Plus, you'll be able to unlock a bonus as scratch card that gives you a chance to win up to 100 euros in bonus, which will be credited directly to your Swissborg app. So it's a win-win for you. Next, you click on open and it will redirect you to the Apple Store or Google Play Store to download the Swissborg app. All you have to do is download it and then open it. Once that's done, you just need to sign up. It takes 2 to 5 minutes. It's really quick. Just fill in your basic information and then you'll have the app just like I do. Next, what we're going to do is go back to Bybit, transfer our crypto from Bybit to Swissborg, and then from Swissborg, we'll be able to withdraw to our bank account very easily. So to do this, on Swissborg, you see that you have the deposit option. You click deposit, then you select that you want to make a crypto transfer at the very bottom, and then you specify which crypto you want to deposit on Swissborg. Since we had BNB on Bybit, we're going to say we want to deposit BNB. It would be different if you had another crypto, etc. So for me, it's BNB that I want to deposit. Next, there's a small note saying to make sure you send it on the BNB chain. We'll be able to specify that clearly on Bybit, so that's understood. Then we'll copy the BNB deposit address from Swissborg so we can paste it into Bybit to transfer our BNB. We go back to Bybit, click on the account where our BNB is. So that's my funding account. We click on the withdraw option. So to withdraw, we specify that we want to withdraw crypto. So for me, it's my BNB. I click on it. Next, we'll paste here the address we copied from Swissborg. We'll select the correct chain, which is BSC, so the Binance Smart Chain. That's all set. If you had another crypto, it would be a different chain. You need to make sure to select the one indicated by Swissborg in the little note that pops up. Next, we specify where we want to take this BNB from, so you can see that it's indeed my funding account. Next, we enter the amount. We want to withdraw everything, all, and then all you have to do is click on withdraw. We click confirm, and then we'll encounter Bybit's limitations for transferring cryptos, so you'll need to verify with the code sent to your email address and the Google Authenticator code. So there you go, I'll let you fill in those codes. There you go, then click on confirm, and that's it. Your transfer from Bybit to Swissborg will be completed. It will take a few minutes. Then you'll receive a notification on the Swissborg app confirming that you've received your crypto deposit from Bybit, which is perfect. And you've received it. Then if we scroll down, we can see our Binance coin. So I've received my deposit, which is perfect. And now we'll want to exchange this BNB on Swissborg for fiat currency, whether it's euros, Swiss francs, etc. To do this, it's really very simple from the Swissborg app. You just need to click on exchange once you've selected BNB. Next, you select the currency you want to withdraw. For example, euros. You click on BNB, enter the amount you want to convert to euros. So in our case, we're going to convert all our BNB, the amount we withdrew from Bybit. Click next. You get a summary, you'll receive 20 euros, click confirm. The exchange happens in a few seconds and your BNB are converted into euros. You could also have converted them into Swiss francs, US dollars, whatever you want, it's up to you. And now, all that's left is to click on withdraw. Here you add a bank account. It's very straightforward. If you live in France, you select France. If you live in Switzerland, you select Switzerland, and so on. You click next, then you enter your name, your IBAN, click confirm, and your bank account is registered. There aren't any restrictions like on Bybit. And finally, all you have to do is click on your bank account, select withdraw to this account, and enter the amount. I switched to Swiss francs because I live in Switzerland, but it would be the same if you had euros. For example, I'm going to withdraw 15 Swiss francs. So there's a basic fee of about 5 euros, which is 4.50 Swiss francs. It doesn't matter if you withdraw $100, 10,000 bucks, or 100,000 bucks. So don't try to withdraw just 10 euros because you'll end up paying half of it in fees. But if you withdraw 1,000 euros, you'll only have to pay about 5 euros. So it's really very affordable. There are actually very few fees for withdrawals on Swissborg. Once you're ready, all you have to do is click confirm, and you should receive your money in your bank account within 1 or 2 business days.